Minangan yung buwatan sila naging sa region o taga-Bohol to inspect. Do not wait for me to catch you. Lalo ba 8888? Ipaghapong niya na sa hapon, sa Japan, gahapon. Itong mga Filipino community. Tapos China, yes, nag-isulti ng 8888. To catch you in the act because I will be unforgiving. You will not only lose your money, you will also lose your funds. Humbong kita lagi bukan ang puro lang. I will have no tolerance. That's why my promise to the people and I will do it. That's my promise to the people and I will do it. Stop that and pay your employees what is due them. Stop contractualization. It will not do good for our country. So, klaro na yung mga marching orders. We go to the third slide. I want to protect the Filipino. I worry about how much you earn. But my worry is how to protect the Filipino. While he's worried about protecting the Filipinos, he also worried on how much businessmen are earning. But there is no compromise. No? I don't care if you will get angry with me, but I am not open to a compromise. Contractualization must go. It is anti-people. And lastly, huwag na kayong mahuli ni Secretary Belio. Secretary of Labor na ako. Pag nalaman ko, I will just simply close your plant. Huh? I always find 1,000 reasons to do it. Believe me. Or willing panuntiyon, believe me. Tuulan mo. So, siguro, kami sa Department of Labor, we are also appealing. In this activity, in fact, we'll be giving you some kind of form. Did you bring forms with you? Natay formally ha, kay mahangyo sa nga, pareha pa sa droga ba? Di na lang ta magulat pa at tuo sa mga polis. Surrender na lang ta. Meaning, volunteer na lang ta-comply. If upon the explanation of Atty. Roy, murag ni haon ang iyahang explanation sa sitwasyon sa atong arrangements mga workers. So if you can voluntarily comply, para malipay po na itong presidente, kung itaon ka niya, mas maayon siguro rather than wait for us to visit your company. Sugot mong sarili at kung mag-informo na mo, yung mga sa isonggo, hindi may mga tulito, kami sa panilingan, kami na po niya niluthangon na ninyo. Delikado na noon. No? Kami na po niligida ko na rin, kaya huwag mo tahon. Better na itumidya. That's why we're here, because we want you to understand clearly what is it that we're talking about for contractual arrangements. And then how we can be of help and respond positively to the instruction or policy direction of the President. So, today, the rest of the day will be handled by Atty. Roy, and he will explain to you, word for word, all the pertinent provisions